How much is a Sony Smart TV? Sony Smart TVs are known for their high-quality displays, advanced processing technology, and smart features. The price of a Sony Smart TV varies based on the model, screen size, resolution, and additional features such as OLED, HDR, and high refresh rates. 1. Price range of Sony Smart TVs. The cost of a Sony Smart TV typically falls within the following ranges: 32 to 43-inch models, $350 to $800, 55-inch models, $600 to $1,500, 65-inch models, $1,000 to $2,500, 75-inch and larger models, $1,500 to $5,000, depending on premium features. Premium OLED and 8K models can range from $2,500 to over $8,000. 2. Different Sony Smart TV models and their pricing. Sony offers a variety of Smart TV models, each catering to different budgets and feature preferences. Bravia W660G Full HD Smart TV, $350 to $500 entry level. Bravia X75K 4K LED Google TV, $500 to $800 mid-range. Bravia X80K X85K 4K LED Dolby Vision Google TV, $800 to $1,500. Bravia X90K X95K 4K LED Mini LED 120Hz refresh rate Dolby Vision, $1,500 to $3,000. Bravia A80K A90K 4K OLED Premium Contrast and Color Google TV, $1,800 to $3,000, $4,000. Bravia Z 9K 8K LED Flagship Model Extreme Brightness and Clarity, $4,000 to $8,000. 3. Features that affect the price. The price of a Sony Smart TV is influenced by several factors. Screen size, larger screens cost more. Resolution, 4K models are standard, while 8K models are premium priced. Display technology, OLED and mini LED models are more expensive than standard LED TVs. Smart features, TVs with Google TV, voice control, and streaming services cost more. HDR and picture processing, Dolby Vision, HDR10, and Sony's XR cognitive processor add to the price. Refresh rate and gaming features, 120Hz refresh rates, HDMI 2.1, and VRR, variable refresh rate, increase costs. 4th, best time to buy for maximum savings. To get the best deal on a Sony Smart TV, consider shopping during Black Friday and Cyber Monday. Best time for major discounts. Holiday sales, Christmas, New Year, and special promotions. Clearance sales. Older models get discounted when new models are released. Retailer promotions. Some stores offer trade-in deals, financing options, or bundle discounts. Sony Smart TVs offer excellent picture quality, smart features, and advanced display technology. By comparing models and shopping during sales events, you can find the best Sony TV that fits your budget and entertainment needs.